The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S versus the Kumho Ecsta Sport S. It's a clash of legacy versus ambition. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S has been the benchmark in the UUHP segment for years. But in 2025, Kumho enters the ring with the Ecsta Sport S. Lighter, sharper and cheaper. Can it dethrone the legend? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from AutoView's 2025 UUHP summer tyre test. Starting from wet braking, from 80 to 0 km per hour, the Kumho stops 2 meters shorter. That's a 9% improvement over the Pilot Sport 4S. On the wet circle, both are neck and neck, 76.91 km per hour versus 76.78 km per hour. Call it even. But that braking advantage, that matters. Kumho takes the edge in wet. Flipping to dry conditions, braking from 100 to 0 km per hour, the Kumho again stops quicker, 1.4 meters shorter, a 4% gain. But when the stopwatch counts, the Michelin claws back. It laps 1 second faster, and subjectively, the Pilot Sport 4S scores 7.4 versus Kumho's 6.2 in handling feel. So yes, Kumho brakes better, but Michelin drives better. How about ride quality? Michelin is a touch more comfortable with a subjective rating of 6.9 versus 6.7, but Kumho is slightly quieter with a 0.5 decibel advantage. It's close, marginal gains both ways. How about efficiency? Michelin rose 65.5 meters further than Kumho in the resistance test, giving it a 16% difference. That means less energy wasted, more range, more efficiency. When it comes to pricing, here's the kicker. For the 275/35R19, the Kumho Ecsta Sport S comes in around 25% cheaper than the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. That's a significant savings if you are budget conscious. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S is still the sharper, more refined tyre. Better dry handling, better efficiency, and better feedback. On the other hand, the Kumho Ecsta Sport S is no slouch. Stronger wet and dry braking while having 25% less cost. That's hard to ignore.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.